Hey, good morning. It's Keto Time with Keto Granny. And this morning, this is just going to be a short video on what I do usually during the day during the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. Now, I usually start my day by getting up, and if I'm going to go to the gym, I like to do it in the mornings. This month, what I'm doing is I'm doing the keto and intermittent fasting, but I'm not doing as much exercise. I know that you can lose weight during the ketogenic diet, and you don't have to have much exercise to do this. So I am doing this for this month, and then I want to post my results so that while I'm telling people you don't have to exercise and you're still going to lose weight just by the way that you're eating, I know that this is true, but I want to make a video just to show you all that you don't have to exercise on the ketogenic diet if you just follow the diet, eat like you're supposed to, follow intermittent fasting, and you can put in you some easy exercises as far as around the house. Use resistance bands, do stretching, some exercises like that. Do a little bit of weightlifting exercises. Buy you a small set of weights and keep at the house. Also, if you have an exercise bike or a stationary bike, you can ride that also. All of these things will help you as you're doing the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. What you'll be doing is also a little bit of toning. That's why I add my exercise in. So I'm going to take you on a little trip, and I'm just going to show you the foods that I ate yesterday and talk about things that I did. So let's get started. So on the ketogenic diet, you're going to want to eat foods that you like. You're going to want to eat vegetables that you like, and it's going to be easier if you start with foods that you already eat, that you don't incorporate into the diet a whole bunch of foods that you're not used to eating, because if you do, you probably end up wasting a lot of the foods. That's what I did when I first started on the ketogenic diet. So I'm going to show you what I had this morning for breakfast. And I'm practicing intermittent fasting, 18 and 6. So what I usually do is start my mornings off by drinking tea. So this morning I'm having some tea, and I'm having peppermint tea. Now the type of teas that I use on the ketogenic diet, it doesn't have to be anything special or anything. I actually just go to the store, it's a little dollar store, and I buy different little packages of teas that I may want to use. This right here is Strawberry Fusions, Strawberry Fields tea. It's very good. And this morning I'm having my peppermint tea. See if I can get that in there for you to see. And it's just a little regular box of tea, and then also a lot of people like to drink the green tea. See if we can get that in there. But just purchase you some boxes of tea, whatever type of tea that you like, your homemade tea or whatever. And so I start my day off by drinking tea early in the morning. You can drink coffee, you can have broth. These are things that you can have that won't break your fasting. So I'm starting mine with a cup of peppermint tea today. Here's my teacup, just a regular cup of tea. And it's also good to start your day, I believe, drinking something warm. Even if you take medications, if you drink it with a little bit of warm water, your medications will start taking effect sooner. Also, it'll get your digestive system going. It'll get everything start going in the morning. Just give your body just a little bit of warm water, if that's what you prefer just to drink. Some people go ahead and they have some people actually heat their water up that they drink, warm it up all through the day. A lot of people don't even drink cold water. They say that. So, I'm having my tea. So have your drink of choice in the morning. After I get through with my tea, then I'm going to do a few household chores. and then I'm going to head over to the gym. I'm either going to do the indoor walking today, or I'll do the 30-minute Planet Fitness workout. When I exercise, I like to do it in the morning. If I have too many things that are going on in the morning, then I will switch my exercise time over until the evenings. And then if I don't get to make it into the gym, then I will do some resistance bands exercise and stretching here at home, and some weightlifting with light weights. So that's why I said always have you some equipment that you can use at home, so that if you don't feel like going out to the gym, you can always still have that option to work out at home. If you want to walk around indoors at home, walk around through your home, walk around through your apartment. You can get you some steps in, and you'll still be getting your exercise. So I'm going to go on and work out, and then after I get through working out, then I'm going to come back and show you what I'm going to have to eat. Today I'm doing 18 and 6, so I'm going to be having my lunch, or my first meal, break fast I call it. I'm going to be having that around 1 o'clock. Today I'm going to do from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you see on 18 and 6, so that means I will have my first meal at 1 o'clock, and then I will have my last meal today at 7 o'clock. And I like to try to do that at least 2.5 to 3 hours before I go to bed, have my last meal. That's what works best for me. So I'm getting ready to head over to the gym, and I'll be back. I'm upset because I got on this half-working Fitbit. I've already done almost 2 laps, and it's on the clock 4 steps. But that's not going to deter me from walking. So after I've had my breakfast, then I kind of just do what I need to do through the day. Progress, if me and my husband, we go out for a walk, or we'll go for a ride, and I like to ride. I love riding, seeing, looking. I love riding and looking at stuff. So I hope that this video kind of gives you an idea of what I do on the ketogenic diet. So when I get up in the mornings, I drink tea or broth or coffee, bulletproof coffee, because I'm doing intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting schedule for me this week is 18 and 6. However, if I need to adjust it, I can. Sometimes I can adjust it from 16 to 8 if needed during the day. It just depends on how my day is going. So I had dinner at 6 o'clock this evening, and the reason I ate at 6 o'clock is I wanted to take my time and have a good meal and enjoy my meal and be through by 7 o'clock p.m. So I had keto chicken fried steak with gravy. Now the gravy wasn't keto gravy. It was made from one of those little packages of gravy that you could buy. Okay, so there you have it. Enough to keep That's what I do in a day on the ketogenic diet. I had stir-fried vegetables. I had if you like this video, it helps you in any way, please give me a thumbs up, and that way YouTube knows that you're watching my content and that you're enjoying the videos, and they're show them more. So if you give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, if I need anything I would really appreciate it. Then I'll have a This is Keto Granny saying, let's get healthy together.